This is a light blue boy. Patty says he's a little shy.
It makes them uneasy and they tend to go, ooh.
Oh my.
I like his reach of neck.
Pretty top line.
Not a nice rock solid top line.
Shoulders right here.
That's better than the last boy, isn't it? I think it is. Usually, yeah.
Well, he likes standing.
He's got a
there.
better upper arm
He's
than
got-
the
look
red
at me
boy.
stacks myself. I know.
I like his rear.
Douglas Williams to be the same length is from his point of shoulder to his opponent's back. So
Thank you.
if
Kyle says
one
I
of those is
have a
off,
bunny
he's
over
short or
here.
he's long.
Yeah.
It's, you know, the standard
Wow.
says 50-50.
But he seems to be.
I'm
seems
impressed.
Now that I like, just then when you pull forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna bring the
He says I want to be a
Puppy
shy
head?
dog.
The other bites are fine except for the yellow
Squeaker,
boy.
squeaker lady.
Puppy, puppy.
Oh, sorry. I'm sitting on
Yeah, he's like, I'm not interested. Dang.
Let him see it, Daddy, and then come back over my shoulder.
His little tail's wagging. He's a good boy.
Callie, out.